Yeah, very good. Full of presents. Your Excellency.
How are you?
Ladies and gentlemen, Nisambul Vinaka and welcome to Police Special Response Unit. Sincere appreciation for your presence this morning, and would like to thank you and acknowledge you for being part of an historic occasion for us here at the Fiji Police Force.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here to speak at the launch of the Johnny Lewis Fiji Sports Contest. Australia and Fiji share a love of sport from the professional level right down to the grassroots. This love extends right through from rugby to netball to athletics and of course to boxing.
I've been privy to watch some of the great sportsmen, particularly in boxing, over those years. Without going too far into it, there was one kid, Sakurai Bay, Alapati Korabu, Sammy Gata, Joe Nativa, the list goes on. I watched them and they got to a standard and they were denied to become world champions only because of lack of equipment and I let the right coaching discipline at times let them down, but it's always been a nation of great sportsmen.
Now that we have our very own boxing ring, thanks to the kind hearts of those running the Johnny Lewis One Dream project, the beneficiaries will multiply beyond just developing the sports for our police officers, but to the communities we serve.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to be invited to this event in support of the Fiji Amateur Boxing Association and the Johnny Lewis Fiji Sports Project Partnership. I acknowledge the efforts of the organizers from Australia and Fiji who have been working tirelessly to revive and develop the amateur boxing in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, the initiative by the Johnny Lewis Fiji Sports Project in conjunction with One Dream Australia and Fiji, both of which are private pro bono initiatives, were established to assist Fiji sports people. In doing so, the project has set a target to achieve their goal by 1. Providing Fijians access to Olympic-level technical training facilities and equipment. 2. Establishing pathways for athletes to access both international training facilities, program and competitive platforms. And lastly, providing higher educational opportunities in sports of the athletes' sporting endeavor via scholarships to foreign learning institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, boxing was a popular sport in Fiji in the past, but it has in recent times lost the momentum. The days when Fijians were all-ranked boxers and dominant at the regional level seem to be in the distant past. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji First Government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the National Sports Commission, and the Fiji Amateur Boxing Association are all working in collaboration in reviving the amateur boxing in this country. The Fiji First Government's commitment is to ensure Fiji has the best sports facilities in preparing our athletes for the local and international competition. It is also investing heavily in ensuring that national associations are viable entities with relevant safeguards for players' welfare and sporting integrity. As a demonstration of our obligation to the Boxing Association, the Ministry of Youth and Sports is working on the upgrade of the old PWD boxing gym, the home of amateur boxing in Fiji, in Wallu Bay. I'm told and I hope that this will be completed and ready by the middle of this year. Ladies and gentlemen, government views this type of partnership seriously. It has both tangible and intangible benefits for our boxers. With this assistance, I can see positive outcomes. Ladies and gentlemen, with that said, it is my pleasure to acknowledge the great man, Mr. Johnny Lewis, for his determination to support the sport and ensuring that our boxers train in facilities with Olympic standards. Among other things, he is a boxing trainer, I'm told, with 6 world champions on his resume. And of course, is also a well-known name in the international boxing. These are exciting times, indeed, as we embark on this partnership. He has generously given boxing equipment and training gear and 2 brand new certified Olympic boxing rings to the Fiji Amateur Boxing Association for the development of amateur boxing in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you that the boxing family in Fiji are very grateful, and I'm sure that we can all look forward to the benefits from this generous donation. And I say this with confidence. With the high-class training facilities provided through this partnership, Fiji will be a top contender for medals in the Pacific Games in Samoa come July 2019 and the 2020 Tokyo qualification tournament. And it opens another sporting pathway for Fijian youths to aspire to earn, and once again, make Fiji a force to be reckoned with in boxing. On behalf of the Fijian government and the Fijian boxing community, I extend our sincere appreciation to Johnny Lewis and his team who are present here. Ladies and gentlemen, Ministry of Youth and Sports, as always, is ready to render assistance to the great work you have been doing, and that is to prepare our boxers well for great results for our country. To the officials, boxers, and potential boxers, I encourage you all to make good use of these facilities and equipment kindly provided to us in association with One Dream, Australia and Fiji. I salute the grand effort and energy that they have shown in re-energizing amateur boxing in Fiji. Let me take this opportunity to thank all concerned, led by Mr. Johnny Lewis, for his initiative. Can we all put our hands together and thank? Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I wish Fiji amateur boxing and the boxers the best as they strive to make the country proud in the Pacific Games come July. Vinaka Bakalevu, and thank you so much.